All right, the training this month is going to have a lot to do with water supply on a small residential room and contents, attic, garage fire, something along those lines. We're going to try to drive home the thought process of getting two apparatus on scene early, getting water supply set up between the two of them, and having all that manpower there to try to make a quick drive on the fire and knock it down quick. The thought process is at a minimum with a truck and one of the engines, we're going to have at least 1,250 gallons there. If we pull two hand lines and we're flowing at 150 GPMs you can get over a little 4 minutes straight of nonstop water without running out of water. So what we really want to drive home is making that hard initial attack. So what we've decided to do is take the short shot in the engineer's compartment and reverse roll it. The thought is when the initial arriving engineer gets on scene, they're going to get their hand lines off and they're going to start flowing. Work this into their process. When they get here, they're going to get that short shot, they're going to connect it to their intake and lay the roll on their bench. As soon as they see where the second incoming apparatus is coming from, they're going to take that short shot and they're going to roll it towards that apparatus, so that next arriving engineer knows, hey, that 3-inch line is mine to supply with water. It's a simple idea. A lot of us have been doing it for years, but we have had several fires where there's some miscommunication between engineers, step-up engineers, and we didn't get water soon enough. Or also this will play into the county where we have two engines out there and we don't have a hydrant handy. So we're gonna go ahead and go live with it, and we'll see how it works out. Just like everything in the fire service, conditions dictate our actions. If we pull up on a well-involved job and we know we're going to need a hydrant early on, then maybe this method is not the best. However, this is just an effort to get engineers and step-up engineers on the same page on those RNC fires or those attic fires, those garage fires, where we got 1,250 gallons immediately at hand to go make a quick drive on the fire. A lot of these apparatus, engine 3, has a large diameter discharge. However, truck 1 does not, so they're not able to get on the same page. There might be some miscommunication about what's needed for supply. However, we all have 2.5-inch intake, we all have 2.5-inch discharge. So if we use this method, if we reverse roll our short shot and we practice this, the engineer becomes comfortable with it right when they get out of the truck and get their hand lines going. This can be a method for quick water supply and early knockdown on the fire. So let's go out and train on this month and see how we like it, and let's get some feedback.